Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by unboxing. This is a monthly tea subscription and these are my December teas. There's a card in here, teas and all the information on the back, so I'll show that in a moment. Ooh, first one I'm pulling out is a caramel vanilla. There's 4 individual packets of that. Fine black tea with caramel and natural vanilla flavor. And that's by Cuppa Cake Teas. Oh, Republic of Tea, actually. I don't know why it says Cuppa Cake Teas. Maybe they have like a new line of teas? I don't know, kind of interesting. Then, anytime there's loose leaf tea, you get these little baggies that you can fill up for steeping. And yes, looks like everything else is loose leaf. The next one, Chez Lulu, perhaps? Butter almond croissant. Oh my gosh, I bet that's amazing. That has milk oolong tea flavor, white cocoa butter, almonds, sweet blackberry leaves, sunflower petals. I'm excited for that one. Then we have a cocoa mint bliss. Steeping time on the back. Vanilla bean powder, chocolate tea, and peppermint leaves. So far, really good. And then we have Autumn Breeze is the flavor from Leaves of Leisure. And that one doesn't say much, but I bet there's more info on the card. Let's take a look. That one is right here. That's a caffeine-free tea. I always get a good mix of caffeine and caffeine-free. And you could fill out your little profile and tell them things you want and things you don't like, and they curate it for you. So it says that one is crisp, warm, and spicy. It has basil, cinnamon. Ooh, it has anise in it. I love anise. Star anise. It's on there a couple times, so definitely got a good box this month. I think all these teas I will enjoy. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I'll put all the information in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.